Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workbook so you don't lose work. Save and, if needed, make a backup copy. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, click the Sheet tab you intend to remove. Right-click it to reveal deletion options. Make sure to check for protection under Review. If the sheet is protected, unprotect it now by entering the password or removing protection. These steps ensure you can delete cleanly without hitting permission barriers or losing important content. You now perform the deletion itself. Right-click the Active Sheet tab and choose Delete, then confirm the prompt. Excel removes the sheet and its cells immediately. Once done, you can also use Home Delete Sheet on the ribbon if you prefer menu commands. If you need to remove several sheets, hold Control while selecting their tabs and then Delete to save time. Make sure to double-check which tabs are selected before confirming, because this action is immediate and cannot be undone without a backup. You finish by handling recovery and troubleshooting. If deletion was accidental, press Undo or Ctrl+Z right away. That restores the sheet unless you saved after deleting. If undo fails, make sure to check file info version history or restore from your backup copy. Also, if Excel blocks deletion, inspect for external links, workbook sharing, macros, or protection settings, and remove or disable them as appropriate. One key troubleshooting tip: if a sheet won't delete,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.